Hello everyone, I'm glad to see you all back. It means my last lesson wasn't so bad. Last time we learned two verbs that are those verbs that I think are most important. So today we're using those verbs to form a sentence. So first sentence, io ho una mela verde. What could that mean? Io ho una mela verde. Mela verde. I have a green apple. Italian is quite simple, so you have first the subject, I, verb, have, I have what? I have complemento oggetto. It's called complemento oggetto, it's a complement, not a compliment, that's another thing. Second thing we need to learn is a negative sentence, so io non ho una mela verde. Io non ho una mela verde, which isn't true since the green apple is here. Io non ho una mela verde. One thing that's important in Italian, I've made you learn the first two verbs like I have, you have, and so on. I am, you are, and so on, but we don't use these pronouns. So we don't use I when we make a sentence. We don't use I, you, and so on. It's obvious who's doing the action. We just skip the person. Io ho una mela verde. No one would say it like this. We just say ho una mela verde. Io ho una mela verde. Forget about io, I, forget it. Just use ho una mela verde. And this was the positive form. Now the question form. Ho una mela verde? Ho una mela verde? Do I have a green apple? I know it's hard, especially for beginners, because you still have problems about pronunciation and so on, so the idea that it's the way you make it sound that tells the other person that that's a question. I know it sounds kind of hard, but let's try it again. Io ho una mela verde. 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 That's I'm telling you I have a green apple. Ho una mela verde. I'm asking you if I have a green apple. Ho una mela verde. I have it. Ho una mela verde. Do I have a green apple? I guess that's the hardest part. When you write it, it's obvious if it's a question or not because you use this question mark. When you speak it, just exercise, I guess. We use the first person, so I have it. But now let's try, or better, you try making a sentence with the other person, like you have, or do you have, or you don't have. I know you don't have. So now let's try to make this exercise and write it down in the comments and I'll tell you if it's correct. If you have topics you're really interested in and something you'd really like to learn, just tell me and write it down below so that I can know what you're interested in, and maybe next time, or I don't know when, but I think I'm going to do that because it makes no sense like speaking to myself and doing what I think it's right and what I think it's interesting if no one is interested. So this is all for you. Tell me what you're interested in and see you next time. Why am I always using this hand when you can't see it? This hand, please. So, and I'm right-handed. I don't know why I'm using my left.